In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh a report manually. Whether you're working with a business intelligence dashboard, project summary, or any other digital report, keeping your data up to date is crucial for making informed decisions. So let's dive right in and walk through the process of refreshing your report manually. First, you'll want to start by opening up the report you're aiming to update. This is usually as simple as navigating to the file or link that houses your report and clicking on it. Once it's open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make it easier to follow along with the steps. Now that your report is open before you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon, often represented by 3 dots in a vertical arrangement. This is commonly referred to as the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu of additional functions available for your report. From the menu that appears, you'll want to look out for the option labeled Refresh Data. Clicking on this option prompts the system to query the underlying data sources anew, effectively pulling in any recent updates that have been made. It's worth noting that this action relies on the freshness interval of the data sources you're working with. Essentially, if the data sources are set to update at a particular frequency, your refreshed report will align with that schedule, provided the data has been updated. Having refreshed your report, you might wonder when exactly the data was last updated. For this, keep an eye out for the timestamp. In most report interfaces, you'll find this timestamp conveniently located at the bottom left corner of the report display. This timestamp provides you with a clear indication of when your report last pulled data, offering both transparency and assurance that you're viewing the most current information available. While these steps may seem straightforward, consistently refreshing your report is a good practice for ensuring accuracy and relevance in your decision-making processes. If updates are frequent and scheduled, you might not notice major changes every time you refresh, but maintaining the habit guarantees you're always working with the best data at your disposal. In summary, refreshing your report manually involves opening your report, accessing the More Options menu, selecting Refresh Data, and checking the timestamp for the last update. Following these steps not only keeps your data current, but also enhances the reliability of the insights you gather. As you become more acquainted with this process, refreshing reports will become second nature, supporting your work with timely and precise data reflections. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep these steps in mind next time you need to update your report, and you'll have up-to-the-minute data at your fingertips. Happy reporting, and see you in the next video.